20 best please visit in Mexico City intro. Welcome to the heart of Mexico, Mexico City. A vibrant metropolis where ancient history meets modern culture, this city is a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences. From the awe-inspiring architecture to the mouth-watering cuisine, every corner of Mexico City tells a story. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an adventure seeker, this city has something for everyone. Join us as we explore the 25 best places to visit in Mexico City, packed with insider tips, hidden gems, and must-see attractions. Get ready to fall in love with one of the most dynamic cities in the world. Please write a comment and advice for us, because you are our valuable visitor. When you subscribe, you're not just clicking a button, you're joining a global family of explorers, dreamers, and adventurers. Together, we share stories, inspire journeys, and uncover the magic that this world holds. Every destination is a new chapter, and every subscriber adds a new voice to our community. Let's walk this path hand in hand, turning dreams into plans and strangers into friends. So take that leap, hit subscribe, and let's create unforgettable memories, one adventure at a time. Suaza Mexico City Adventures has travel goals. 1. Zócalo, Plaza de la Constitución. The Zócalo is the beating heart of Mexico City and one of the largest public squares in the world. Surrounded by historic buildings like the Metropolitan Cathedral and the National Palace, this iconic plaza is a must-visit for anyone exploring the city. The Zócalo is steeped in history, having been the center of Aztec civilization as part of the ancient city of Tenochtitlan. Today, it's a bustling hub of activity, hosting cultural events, political demonstrations, and vibrant festivals. Don't miss the chance to see the giant Mexican flag raised daily in the center of the square. Whether you're soaking in the history or people watching, the Zócalo is a quintessential Mexico City experience. 2. Chapultepec. Park Chapultepec Park is one of the largest urban parks in the world and a green oasis in the middle of Mexico City. With over 1,600 acres of lush greenery, this park is perfect for a day of exploration. Visit the Chapultepec Castle, which offers stunning views of the city and houses the National Museum of History. The park is also home to the famous Chapultepec Zoo, the Modern Art Museum, and the Tamayo Museum. Whether you're jogging, picnicking, or simply strolling, Chapultepec Park is a refreshing escape from the city's hustle and bustle. 3. National Museum of Anthropology. The National Museum of Anthropology is one of the most important museums in the world, showcasing Mexico's rich cultural heritage. Located in Chapultepec Park, this museum houses an extensive collection of artifacts from pre-Columbian civilizations, including the Aztec, Maya, and Olmec cultures. Highlights include the Aztec sunstone and the reconstructed tomb of Pakal the Great. The museum's architecture is also a marvel, with its iconic umbrella-shaped fountain in the central courtyard. A visit to this museum is a journey through Mexico's ancient past and a must for history enthusiasts. 4. Frida Kahlo Museum, Casa Azul. Step into the world of one of Mexico's most iconic artists,